Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian-based YouTuber. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Today's video is a tutorial on how to tie this Ankara hair scarf, and the Ankara hair scarf actually inspired this whole look, the eyes especially. And yeah, if you want to see me achieve this, please continue to watch this video to the end. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. You keep watching my videos and you don't want to subscribe, like seriously. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button either below or above, depending on what you're watching with. And please, I don't even know how to stress this, please you guys, all your notifications so that you don't get to miss any new video coming up from me. And give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below. So let's jump right into the video. We'll first clean my face with wipes because of dirt before going in with Black Opal moisturizer. After that, we'll prime my face with Pond's face primer before going in with Absolute Afterglow. We'll leave all the details in the description box in case you don't get to hear the names of the products. We'll define my brows off camera because I already have a video on how to define brows. We'll leave the link in the description box. For my eyes, we prime it with LA Girl eyeshadow primer. We'll apply it with my fingers because I feel it blends better than brush. The Ankara actually has like 3 colors, red, pink and black. So I'm going to use an orange color as a transition color from debbyluster eyeshadow palette, and then I'm going to go in with a red color from Glamierre eyeshadow palette, and it is called Chestnut, just to add more color to the eyes. Kids across the lane, Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah. After that, we'll apply LA Girl eyeshadow primer on my lid just to make the lid color pop. Then we'll apply a dark brown color on my outer V and then blend it towards my tear dots. Before I will apply the pink shimmer color from the debbyluster eyeshadow palette. And we'll use a blending brush to blend all the colors together so that there won't be any harsh lines. Let's all take a roll. Using this wipe to clean off all the fallout on my face, then we'll now line my eyes with Hegia and Esther eyeliner. Decided to apply the first lashes off camera. I also have a video on that. We'll leave the link in the description box. We'll use LA Girl color corrector in orange first to color correct all the dark spots on my face. Applying foundation, and for foundation I'm going to use Maybelline in Classic Tan. We'll first apply it with a brush before going in with a beauty blender because lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make it. I'm using LA Girl in cream beige, which is like 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, to highlight my face. And after that we'll set it with a loose powder, and this is called Sacha Buttercup. I decided not to bake my face today because I want to see how it's going to turn out, and I think I'm loving the technique I use. I'm loving the results. Lions gonna come, the birds
birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
The foundation I applied before with Tara powder palette, and it was not difficult for me to blend the whole look because I didn't bake. I'm really loving this technique, truly.
The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a
The red color from Glamierre eyeshadow palette in chestnut on my waterline just to complement the whole look, and then I will line my waterline with Hegia and Esther eyeliner. Black opal blush in Valentine, and then after that we highlight my face with golden salon baked bronzer.
Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah.
For my lip, I'm lining my lips with Zaron lip liner, and then we'll combine True Matte lip stain and classic lip stain.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
Then we set my face with Nubian Beauty setting spray.
We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home.
Thanks for watching this video to the end. Please subscribe and on your notification if you haven't already. Share this video to friends and family, comment and give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Savannah, I'm coming home.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to